Good evening everybody and welcome to my next video. Damp Sam here. On this video I'm going to show you that not everybody's perfect. I've got a little smile because I've been living in this house for 20 years. There's me, my two kids and kids nanny, living lodger, my other half. So we've got an ensuite in our bedroom, like an ensuite. It's got glass blocks and stuff like that. And we get, every now and again, we get some black mould, but we always sort it out before it becomes an issue. This is over years, so sometimes we get it, sometimes we don't. So I've got a centrifugal fan that's fitted in ceiling because it's kind of in middle off at corridor. It's not near an external wall. So we've got this centrifugal fan and it's never really been that good. And it broke down, I think it broke down a few months ago. We had it fixed a few months ago. It had been broke down for quite a while. And then this mould started to grow. And I kept seeing it. But it's not my job, it's pink ticket. So blue jobs is my ticket. Hunter gatherer, it's not my department. Cleaning, looking after kids, things like that. Old school. So that's probably upset a few people, hasn't it? Anyway, I've given some of our mould treatment over years, different ones what we've had, and tell her to use that. Anyway, I've just gone into the bathroom. I mean, she's at work at the minute, but I've just gone into the bathroom, and I was going to have a shower, and we've got like it's like an old engineering shelving thing, like a basket where you can put products in. And I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, what's them up there? I never noticed it before in my life. And what have I seen? What have I seen in there? Two products from supermarket. I nearly dropped through the floor. And you know what I'm going to say? What do you think these have got in them? Well, if you looked at photos when they came on before I did this video, there'll be two photos of these, and if you wait while I end, you'll see what's in them, the big thing. So I've had to take a photograph of it because it's that small that you can't see it. I can't read that. So I had to take a photo of it. Like I've mentioned before in videos, people with normal eyesight, you just can't see it. You don't know what ingredients are. So I took a photo, and on this one, it says sodium, and on other, it doesn't say sodium. So if you don't know what you're looking for, it says bleach extract. Now I know that bleach has got sodium in. So what's happening with these is when she's spraying it on tiles, it's getting rid of it to start with. I'm guessing that's how they do it. No, I'm not a cleaner, so I'm guessing that's how they do it, something like that. But we're not nanned, we're chamois. Or is it a circular motion? We just do it on people's houses, so I don't do it on his own house. So it's cleaned off, but it might last a day, 2 days, and it comes back, because what you've done is you've sprayed a harsh cleaner on it, which will get muck out of the way. I'm doing it again, aren't I? Which will get muck out of the way, and then you've left a salty deposit, a salty film on the surface, and that's it's gonna absorb moisture. It's not going to attract it. It's going to absorb moisture from the air, because, like I said to you before, the hygroscopic, which means it's a material that absorbs moisture. Other things that are hygroscopic: timber's hygroscopic. So when you've got timbers in a cellar, when they're embedded into the wall, they absorb moisture easily. Metal post or a concrete post embedded in wall, not hygroscopic, not going to absorb any moisture, not going to decay. So that's your difference. And while I'm just saying that, in cellars, in old cellars, of doorways, there's normally lintels, and they're hygroscopic, so they can start to decay on sides. So what we always advise, and it's same if there's been some dry rot, take them out, replace them with concrete lintels. Concrete lintels are cheap enough, and all you do is little batting, because they're normally not that high cellars. So small batting, acros, wind them up, and then take your timber out, put your concrete lintel in, put an acro underneath it, wind it up so it pushes up, wedge it with slate or whatever, or you could even pack it under. We wedge it with slate and then point it round with sand and cement, and you can either leave it and then take it out after a day or so, and then it'll set all right. So yeah, absolutely astonished, as it says on there. Astonished. Do you know? That must have gone in subliminally, because I didn't mean to say that. Astonished, or I didn't know it were on there. But it's probably got a nice appley smell for first day, and then it'll be a black mould smell, musty smell. I was just going to think whether I'm going to take you to, and I'll take you through and show you. I'll show you what issue is. Oh, no, mind you, I'm saying that. To take these off. Just go down to West Wing. So this is where it was. So this is ensuite, and they were stacked up there. This is what kids nanny, my other half, got from Sovereign, which has got benzalconium in it, and that's what should have been used. And then it wiped off with a sponge. What's this she's got? That one, I bet that's got sodium in and all. It's just idleness. I might have to take my belt off to her when she gets back. I'll make sure it's leather one with big belt, with big buckle on, and that's where we get it up top there. So you see we've got the what they call it. If I'm gonna have to push that on, that's dropped down. Yeah, do you know? Somebody's been messing about. And we've had some new blinds. So this is going to have to be decorated in here. It's got more paint art to do with painter.
Dad,
What?
is your birthday in March?
February? Oh, kids don't know your birthday. Huh? She's only been living with me 11 years. She's 11. She's 12 at next birthday. She doesn't know my birthday. Anyway, after that interruption by my daughter, who was just coming in now.
No, I do know your birthday.
You said March then? What? Why?
It's because I wrote it in my calendar and then I accidentally put February. No.
23rd of February.
I know I put 23rd of March instead of February.
23rd of February, if anybody wants to know out there. Send me cards and stuff and presents. She's here, look.
Don't do it, guys. Not worth it.
This is who don't know me here at birthday. Yeah.
But you didn't even know my birthday.
I'm just telling him. You know what, Nanny? nanny that lives with us that cleans the house and looks after you. Huh?
Yeah.
She's been spraying that on walls, which has got bleach in it and salts. It's wrong stuff.
Yeah, it's to get the mould off.
Yeah, but it's wrong stuff. That's what I'm doing a video about.
You can see myself better over here.
Are you going to be a YouTuber?
Yeah, but my...
You're too close here. You look like you're looking in a
Yeah,
spoon.
but my, I need Mum to put one on for
What
me.
are you dancing for? Right, go away quickly. Bye-bye.
Guess where I'm going, guys? Guess where I'm going in, like, June or July? I'm going to Harry Potter World with my school.
Yeah, Harry Potter World. Dad, I was going to take you one time, but I'm such a bad parent, so I ain't got time for him. Too busy doing videos.
Bye,
Aren't I, love?
guys.
See you later. Go away quickly.
Bye.
Go away very quickly. So that's just about end it video. I hope that little interruption. I'll probably edit that out later on, and then and then that'll be it. So that's Damp Sam. I've just noticed it's the same colour as settee. See, we like to colour match. Only thing that's bad is that there's a couple of reds in there, isn't there? So I hope you've enjoyed that video. Don't forget, if I've given you a bit of value on about sodiums and hygroscopic timbers and things like that, if I've given you a bit of value, please subscribe and share if you can. We're trying to grow a community and so I can give your friends more value. So spread word that Damp Sam's doing good and giving everybody value for free for now. So that's Damp Sam signing off. Have a good evening and I hope your football team wins, whoever it is. Not working.